Hello, I am Quinn. I am a freshman at the University of Lynchburg, and I am an economics major. Today, I'm speaking to you about the benefits of critical thinking and making sound decisions throughout your life. These benefits throughout the years have shown that humans are the superior species on Earth. As humans, we were given gifts somehow, whether through evolution or a higher being of some kind. We humans need to use these gifts, and over the years, continue to excel as we have before through the invention of tools and theories. Today, I would like to talk to you about the following benefits of critical thinking: making oneself happier, ensuring your opinions are well informed, and improving relationships. As most of us know, self-actualization is when one finds their purpose in life. This leads to success. Humans are constantly craving many things, such as food, relationships, drink, but most often overlooked and important is our happiness. Our bodies are always in search of fulfilling our biological needs to fulfill endorphins that need to be released. The quality of our life often relies on the quality of our decisions, but it relies on other things, such as the quality of how we think. Happy thoughts lead to ease of mind, as well as ease of actually fulfilling these tasks. Critical thinking is very useful to master ourselves and our minds. When we unlock our minds, we find our full potential, which will help us find our strengths and weaknesses, and to use them likewise, and as well improve. Our happiness and discovery of self-actualization brings me to my next point of ensuring our opinions are well informed. With the influx of information we receive today, there is a lot of facts and, quite frankly, stuff our mind has to sort through. Critical thinking helps our minds find clarity and sort through these noises. American politician, sociologist, and diplomat Daniel Patrick Moynihan once remarked, "You are entitled to your own opinion, but you are not entitled to your own facts." I found this quote quite interesting and very true, as we cannot always control the information we receive, but we can use critical thinking to make sense of the information we have to use and what is not useful. Opinions are formed through this critical thinking and impacts who we should surround ourselves with. This brings me to my final point of how critical thinking improves relationships. Relationships and critical thinking, although they have no relationship seemingly, as people tend to think alone, but they really go hand in hand. Humans use critical thinking to try and understand other perspectives to grow. Critical thinkers are very good at understanding numerous points of view and gaining empathy for others to learn more in general. Critical thinking keeps your mind from jumping to conclusions. This sense of judgment and calm under pressure thinking helps one better understand others and grow closer. In conclusion, I found that critical thinking to be one of humans' biggest assets that we have exploited very well and can continue to use through ways such as making ourselves happier, ensuring that we are well informed, improving our relationships, and many other aspects of life. As humans, we have this special ability to make sense of situations with our intelligence. Our critical thinking will always advance us and will always be needed. With that being said, I encourage you to never stop thinking, and thank you for your time.